Yeah, good day all. Today being the 11th of May 2021. I'm on a live video here at KFZ A to Z International Logistics Center, which the CEO, which today has been the CEO's birthday, but I'm very aware he's not he's not even sure about that. So I want to give him a little surprise and wish him a birthday on the company's Facebook page on the live. He will be surprised to see this, man. Let's go wish him something. Yeah. Odogu. Yeah. Odogu, come pay you visit. Happy birthday, sir. You want to hide it from us, but never. we'll head you at ransom. You want to hide it from us, but today we said no. I know you're not aware about that.
My brother, I don't forget.
You forget? You know, live. For you to know, you are on live video.
Okay, don't get the video. Let me say
This is the CEO of KFZ A to Z International Logistics Center here in Berlin, Germany. You know, so boss, before I proceed, I would like to ask you a few questions. You know, with regards to the services of this company and what you've rendered or what you are rendering. You know, so I would like to ask you before wishing you and giving you a complete prayer package for your birthday. Would like to ask a few questions. Would you permit me and just give me a few minutes of your time? You know, just few minutes.
Are you on live for a minute?
I'm on live video.
Huh?
Yes. Definitely.
It's my decrease.
I think decrease. Usman will know what thing they happen now. You want to hide them from your boys. So, boss, few questions, BT. I would like to know, what are the services you render for this company?
Well, our service is very simple. You know, we are like a broker, just like a broker between the customer and the shipping line. You know, so our main work is to help our customers, you know, to get the best shipping line.
Okay.
To fulfill their services, you know. So, for example, if you want to ship your container to anywhere in Africa, so we will help you to find the cheapest and the affordable and the most important, the shipping line that can afford to give you the best services you need, you know.
Okay.
So that's our work. We try to be, and also we are like a gateway between Africa and European business, you know, because of this pandemic and all this stuff, some of our customers cannot fly over to Germany, so they contact us, we buy their goods and ship it to them.
Wow.
So we are doing a lot, you know. That's why I'm working day to day. You know?
That's a quite wide range of services you offer. But another question, BT, in this situation, this global current pandemic we're observing now, you know, how are you coping with running of the affairs of the company and the services? I know it's going to be tight, like definitely there must be some stringes and we'll have our another okay, wait, the wrong go. Today is his birthday. So, like I was saying, I said in this situation, how are you coping with the run of the company?
About the affairs of the company, this pandemic,
yeah,
you know, it's getting difficult on daily basis. You know, since March last year, we're in lockdown in Germany, mostly, and most of the parts of the world. You know, so we are having big problems. You know, in business. Ja, wat je doen?
Springfahrer. Kannst du sehen?
Okay, von Mapenda. Okay, ich komme gleich. Ja, ich komme gleich. Ja? Ja, gib mir nur 5 Minuten, ja? Ich komme. So, as I was saying, you know, it's getting difficult on daily basis. You know, we are trying. We hope last year that before September, October, or December that we will get ourselves from this thing, but it's getting difficult on daily basis, you know. So, but in this pandemic, the business is down. So, but with our experience in the business, so we are using this opportunity, this advantage. We are using the advantage in this pandemic to assist our customers, you know.
Okay.
So we create a kind of groupage in container. So that groupage helps the customers, you know. Some people who cannot afford to ship a full container. So if you can afford to ship 1 meter or 2 meter or 3 meters, so we group all together. So we make it more easier for our customers. That is what I'm doing here.
Yeah, definitely. Yeah.
So I'm trying all my best, you know, to meet the needs of my customers, you know.
Genau.
So
Genau. Genau. Yeah, that's really interesting to know. You know, that's a good one. You know, at least anybody can actually come up with something and And
because you know why we do it like that, because you know, in this pandemic and some shipping lines, the raw shipment, they close it since last month that you cannot load anything in the car or
yeah,
in
it's
the
getting
trucks.
difficult.
So it's getting difficult for our customers. So the best option we can do is to create a link, something like a groupage, you know. So if you have buy something for your people in Africa for occasion or anything, then you can give us. We give you your meter. If you want half container, if you want meter price, we have all. You know?
Okay. Depending on the size of your goods and okay.
And we are working hard. We declare it by 1st of June. We will start to render door-to-door services to Cameroon, Douala.
Wow.
So
That's a big one.
so if you know that you have any carton to Douala, we will give you the best service.
Okay.
You know? We are number 1 in Berlin.
Yeah. I can see, obviously. Yeah. Wow. So, what has been your drive towards this? Like, it's been a successful one, you know. So, what has been your drive? What has been pushing you towards the success of this? And you're growing by the day, you're elevating, you know.
Yeah, I don't know anything about it, you know, because I just believe in myself, you know. So I think my major drive is the passion I have in the business, you know. So you know, when you are doing something you have passion for, you know, it's like a part of you, you know. So the business is like part of me, you know. Sometimes I work alone here 12 hours, 15 hours a day. So I'm trying all my best, you know. So because the more hard you work, the more result you have, you know. So we are trying everything we can, you know, to get it done, you know. So, but I know it's not easy, you know. This pandemic, you know, everything is going down instead of going up. We are going down, but by the grace of God, we are moving.
I get what you say. Determination plus hard work is the best. Is a great outcome, you know. Yeah, that's it. No, that's a nice one. So since today is your birthday, how are we celebrating it? Because definitely your boys over here. You know, in Yoruba we say enugbe, when the mouth is dry. So how are we celebrating it, boss? You know, I know this is it's kind of a tight time. You know, everything is not actually flowing well, but as Odogu. No, some people are already calling you Odogu online. Wow, that's nice. As Odogu give. You know, you can do things of Odogu now. So, yeah.
I'm putting something over there. So,
okay. Wow, you can see everything here works perfectly well. Everything looks so convenient and so good. That's the CEO, KFZ, A to Z.
Give me the other one.
International Logistics Center here in Berlin. You've all heard him. He has explained the services he renders and what you expect of him.
So,
and he's creating more branches, you know.
So we are trying our best, you know. So, you know, to tell you the fact about the question they asked me about my birthday, you know, due to the situation at hand, I did not even remember that today is my birthday.
I know, definitely now.
To be frank,
you're working all day, all night. You can see your hands. Look at your hands. It will see you. See hand dirty. It will see you. Oh, voila.
In Igbo land, they say, "Aka aja the button manu."
Have you?
So because the more your hand is dated, the more successful you are.
Yes, now we go to rub our hand for sun.
Man,
Wow.
is it pretty? Okay. So
Okay, yeah.
I don't even remember that today is my birthday. But the most important thing is I want to thank everybody. I want to thank all my customers worldwide, you know, the ones who remember me on my birthday. I know maybe in my Facebook account now, many people will be saying, happy birthday, happy birthday. So my greetings to my family, everybody around me. Special greeting to my family, my wife, my kids, everybody, my parents, you know, my siblings, you know, and my party, you know, my homies, you know.
There's a particular name you always call them. What's the name? I call his name. Could remember that name. Forgotten it. Well, no problem. They'll get to see it.
So I want to use the opportunity to say, you know, we will be alive, you know, to be adding more years, you know. So all of us, you too, all of us will be adding more years, you know.
Amen.
And all of us will reach to our destination, you know.
Definitely,
you know,
definitely.
because we have a target, we have dreams in life, you know. So we are moving towards our dream.
Okay, that's a nice one. So happy birthday, boss. Wish you long life and prosperity. Wish you every good thing life offers.
No, thank you very much. Thank you very much for your patience, you know.
Definitely. Yeah.
So
Okay.
we are working, you know, but very soon from June we will declare we are working very hard with our Douala partners, you know, to start a door-to-door service in Douala.
Wow.
You know, but we are doing a group page to Lagos, you know, to Think and Lagos only. So, but we wanted to start door-to-door only to Douala, not to Lagos, you know. So we are doing, wanted to start it from 1st of June. And we are working with our partners all over Africa, you know, to find some options, you know, for
to other parts of Africa
to assist people in need. You know, because we have a lot of guys who have some things to send to their family, but they cannot, you know. So, but if we can create a kind of link.
You're open. That means you're open to requests from people like maybe your friends and families on social media. They are free to send you requests like, okay, what about doing this, doing that? Okay.
So, and also I'm asking my customers, you know, if you have a suggestion, if you have an advice, you know, you can also advise us, you know, because we are learning, you know. So how can we move forward
to help them?
To help them and to help us too, because I cannot be helping everybody, but I myself, I need help.
Now you go help me, because you go help me out. Okay, boss, no problem, huh? That's a nice one. Thank you very much, guys. Yeah, I can see, Iman Wilkinson, Iwala, Emmanuel Onye, and Chinanye Eze. Thank you very much for wishing him a happy birthday. See you guys later. Bye.